I'm thinking, and my all Adobe, Photoshop, Illustrator, Microsoft Office all expired. What happened, dude? And searching whole day, downloading cracked versions from different website and viruses one in my computer. Finally, I got one of the great website where you download anything, anytime, and anywhere. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And write filescr.com. Go here and you will get this. Why I am call this one of the awesome website, because you can get any category like Windows, Mac, and Android. So it is categories like Windows categories. You need to look latest one. Adobe Photoshop, Adobe, and look here. Everything you can get from here. And for the Android, these are the paid one that you can get without any cost. And this is so good website. There is no any malware and Trojan attacks I have used for a long time, and I think this will help all of you make your learning. It will help you to accelerate in your learning, and this is so good. So you can go and find your category like Windows, Mac, Android, and you can also find out different categories. Look here: Mac, Android, backup resources, data covers, web browser, design, gaming, antiviruses, and I am here and search for. Look here. I go here, search for Microsoft Office. Look here already. Open one of them. This is you can download from here for 1664 bit. You can choose and password for the G password here 123, and version you can choose your version 16, 39, 29. Here is another all in one you can get, and go here. After downloading, here you can download previous versions. You can download here, and if there is any problem, please comment down. I will help you to solve that problem. Go to download. You can download it directly or using the torrent. And so, but I think this is one of the great website than the other one where will get easy to all of this. So stay tuned.